Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be using one of these to make some homemade mayonnaise. And the best part is it's going to take you less than a minute to do. So you ready? Let's get into this. Alright, so for our ingredients we need some extra virgin olive oil, 1 large egg, some lemon juice, a little bit of garlic powder, tiny bit of salt, you see it in there, a little white vinegar, and you definitely can't see that in there, and a little bit of mustard. You can really use any mustard that you want, but I'm using Joe's Phenomenal Maple Monk Fruit Mustard Menagerie. And look, that's me. You're gonna be amazed when you see how fast this is. First we pour in our oil, our lemon juice, garlic powder, that white vinegar, your egg. Now on this egg, you wanna make sure this sat out long enough to get down to room temperature. You don't want it going in here cold. Our mustard, then we have our salt. I like to just put a tiny bit in here and save the remainder for the end. That way you don't risk over salting for your taste. Then all we gotta do is run our immersion blender. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. The longer you use your immersion blender, the thicker this is gonna get. But if you do it too long, you're gonna mess up your mayonnaise. So just kind of play it by ear. I like to get it pretty thick. That's about the consistency that I like it. And once you finish that up, all you gotta do is spoon it out and you're ready to serve it. In my case, I didn't need that extra salt. This turned out just fine without it. If you look in the description of the video, you'll find all of the ingredients and the measurements down there along with the calorie count, the protein, the fat, and the carbohydrates per serving. And there's your finished mayo. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can watch a couple more videos or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me and hope to see you again really soon. So until next time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.